Firex presents a process line of cooking and chill for pasta or rice, starting from multi-cooker. Pasta or rice is cooked in salted boiling water for a defined amount of time with precise electronic control of the immersion time of the basket in this well-known automatic cooker. When cooking time is finished, the basket automatically emerges and remains in drainage position. The pasta is ready to be cooled immediately. The basket downloads directly into the chiller cabinet, equipped with wheels, that has been placed in front of the cooker. The pasta is then immediately immersed in cold or iced water and further cooking is stopped. At this point, the cold pasta is ready to be transferred to a cart and then to the fridge. It can then be regenerated at the time of consumption. You can produce from 500 to 1,800 servings per hour. The Firex Cook and Chill system consists of 3 parts: cooking, cooling, handling. Having the cooling system cart on wheels makes the system very flexible. The Firex pasta and rice line responds to the growing demand in cold line. Multi-cooker, rice and pasta ready in 3 steps.